It is 70 degrees Fahrenheit today. So naturally, I'm in the best mood possible. And I'm going on a little nature walk by myself. Nothing new there. I've been here like a million times. And people know that I'm here. So it's okay, I'm safe. Look. As I've said, I've been here like a million times. I was just walking. Every time I'm here, I feel like, at first I was like, I feel like this is like my place, but the more I thought about it, I was like, you know what? No, I actually feel like this is like a good friend of mine's property. And I'm always invited. It's a public park. And so I've come here a lot with like my friends. I've come by myself. I come with my dog. My dog loves it here too. I'm like really far off the actual trail, so I'll show you more as we go. But it's one of my favorite places to go on a sunny day. I love it. I'm gonna stop at this one off. I don't know. This thing off to the side. It's this cool bridge. Look. I mean, it's broken, but you can still get to it. Look how beautiful. Don't know why that's there. I don't really know what that bridge was for, but there's train tracks on the other side of the river, so I'm assuming it was to like get their goods from the train, right? This this whole property is, there's a huge home at the top of the hill basically, and this whole property is part of it. And I'll show you it when I get there. Do you see how I keep doing that hair flip thing like I'm a teenage boy? Because my hair gets in my face. Anyway. I love it here. So we're coming up on this bridge that you're actually not even supposed to cross, but literally everybody does. You'll probably see why. Oh, here's this little ramp. I think when I once looked this up, it meant, or it was like used for almost like a car wash. So like you would drive down and park your car and then use the river to wash your car. Amazing. Look how spooky. This is a little bridge. I mean, you can see why they don't want you to walk across. Trash. And here's the real trail. See, there's a sign. Just hurt my hand trying to hold my phone. How old am I? Birdies. Hi. Creature's running away from me. It's fine. So what's new? What's good? Hope y'all are well. I am chilling. Always trying to figure out my next steps, you know. I mean, not always. Try my best to just be like present, but we live in a society. My fucking arm hurts. Like, am I a vlogger or not? So there's the house up there. If I went to the right, I would get there much faster, but I'm gonna go the long way because I came down that way. So I'm gonna go to the left and go the long way and show you guys the house when I get up there. What's funny is I have made a video here before. I think it was last year. Or maybe even before that. Oh, fuck. I forgot about this creepy thing. Yeah, so anyway, I have made a video here before, but I fucking lost all of the footage. I remember that. That was heartbreaking, and I was so upset because I talked a lot. I talked a lot. As I do. It's alright. I'm here again. I'm always here. Look at this. Just pretty. Just pretty. We're right by a highway, so that's why you're hearing the insane motors and just loud cars in general. But also birds, you know? It's cool. This is the part where I feel like a lot of people are walking around. Bugs. So I can't record that much. Especially of myself looking like a weirdo. Okay, bye. Going uphill now, but that old pump house back there, back in high school, me and my friends were able to get in. Well, we absolutely broke in. It's not like we had a key. We let ourselves in. There was like really thin wooden planks over some of the doors, and they were already broken. So we were like, yeah, we're gonna go in. It was really, it was like on the second floor, so it was pretty dangerous because there was a hole in the floor and you could just fall right through. But there was a really, really old desk in there, and it was just like, it was literally a desk full of acorns. Like squirrels took that shit over. I'm a little out of breath, but yeah, it was kind of cool. Now they like boarded everything up. I think the city owns this land and this whole property, so. And even the house is gorgeous and fixed up, and it used to be like abandoned and boarded up. And it looked cooler, but you know, it's beautiful either way. That's the pump house. And I was just down there. So imagine this place being completely boarded up. The paint chipping. Might have an old picture. It's gorgeous. I think it's absolutely haunted. I think this is the kitchen. At least a kitchen. That's the front door over there. I think you can see the steps from over there. Trying not to get the glare. If I go over here maybe? There we go. Old sunroom. Look at these old steps too. This is the front of the house. Here, I'll show you the old steps. I think there used to be a fountain right in the middle. And there's like the road that goes around. As I've said, I've been here like more than 15 times. Like honestly, I feel like I find something new every time, like something I didn't see. Today, I must have seen this before, but there's a flagpole. There's a flagpole I've never seen. I mean, maybe when I first came here like years ago, but don't remember it. Here's the other side. I think the house opens to the public like for tours in the summer. And the amount of times I've been here, I've never been inside. we're back on the other side. I love it here. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my time here until I absolutely have to pee because I have all this juice. I hope you get outside today. Or the next time that the sun will be out. You should be out. Alright, Elle. Thanks for joining me on this boring walk. Beautiful walk. It's nature. Shit's not boring. It's not boring. Alright, thanks. See you next time. Peace. It's my slow peace. I had to make sure I had the grip on this. Peace.